In this video, I'll show you how to fix Marvel Spider-Man Remastered crashing on PC using a few simple troubleshooting steps. If the game keeps crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly, follow these steps in order. Let's get started. First, check your NVIDIA graphics driver. Open the NVIDIA app on your computer. If you don't have it installed, download it from the official NVIDIA website. Once the app is open, select Drivers from the left-hand menu and check for any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating the driver, go to Settings in the NVIDIA app and temporarily disable the NVIDIA overlay. This can help prevent conflicts while the game is running. Next, check your Windows updates. Press the Windows key, open Settings, and select Windows Update. Install any available updates and restart your PC if you're asked to. Now let's refresh Steam. Look at the system tray near the bottom right corner of your desktop. Right-click the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. Wait a few seconds, then launch Steam again. Once Steam is open, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Go to Storage and make sure you're viewing the drive where Spider-Man Remastered is installed. Click the three dots next to the drive and select Repair Library. Let Steam complete the repair. After that, go to Downloads and select Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action, then allow Steam to restart. Finally, let's verify the Spider-Man game files. Open your library, find Marvel Spider-Man Remastered, and right-click it. Select Properties, then go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace any missing or corrupted files automatically. Once the verification is complete, restart Steam and launch the game again. These steps can resolve several common causes of crashing, including outdated graphics drivers, Steam library problems, corrupted game files, and temporary cache issues. If Spider-Man Remastered is still crashing after trying everything, let me know the exact error you're getting in the comments. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.